Have you ever had a conversation where you could just feel there was more under the surface? Like the person in front of you was holding back, hiding something deep inside? You know there is a story there, an emotion waiting to be shared, but no matter how hard you try, it just doesn't come out. What if I told you that there are 12 proven ways to get people to open up instantly and unlock their hidden emotions, right now? Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, a hub where aspiring individuals come to unlock their full potential and achieve bigger dreams. Today, we are diving deep into the art of connection and communication. We live in a world where surface-level conversations are the norm, but what if we could change that? What if we could break down those barriers and truly connect with others on a deeper, more meaningful level? Whether it is with a loved one, a friend, or even a colleague, being able to unlock someone's hidden emotions can transform your relationships and, quite frankly, change your life. In this video, I am going to share 12 proven ways to help you get people to open up instantly. These are not just tips, they are strategies backed by psychology and human behavior studies. By the end of this video, you will have the tools to connect with others like never before, unlocking those hidden emotions and strengthening your relationships. Alright, let's dive into the first key to unlocking those hidden emotions, building trust and rapport. Without trust, people won't feel safe enough to open up, and rapport is the bridge that connects you both. Number 1. Be fully present. We have all been there, talking to someone who is distracted, glancing at their phone, or just not really there. And it doesn't feel good, does it? Being fully present means giving the person your undivided attention. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really listen. Your presence tells them, you matter to me. Psychologists agree that attention is one of the most valuable gifts we can give to another person. According to a study by the University of Texas, participants who felt fully listened to reported higher levels of satisfaction in their relationships. The simple act of being present can make someone feel valued, which is the first step to getting them to open up. Number 2. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. It is about putting yourself in their shoes, and it is one of the most effective ways to build rapport. Think about a time when you felt truly understood. It is a rare and powerful experience, right? When you show empathy, you are telling the other person that their feelings are valid and that they're not alone. This creates a bond that makes them more likely to open up to you. Empathy is not just about saying I understand. It's about really feeling it. You can show empathy by using phrases like that must have been really tough for you, or I can't imagine how that felt, but I'm here to listen. These small expressions can break down emotional barriers and pave the way for deeper conversations. Number 3. Share vulnerabilities. Now, this might sound counterintuitive. Why would opening up yourself make someone else do the same? But here is the magic. When you share your own vulnerabilities, it creates a safe space for others to do the same. I remember a time when I was going through a rough patch. I was hesitant to talk about it, but then a friend opened up about something similar they had gone through. That act of vulnerability made me feel safe enough to share my own story. It was a game changer in our relationship. Vulnerability is powerful because it humanizes us. It shows that we are not perfect, and that is okay. When you are open about your own struggles or feelings, it signals to the other person that they don't have to be perfect either. This can lead to a deeper, more authentic connection. Number 4. Reflective listening. This technique involves paraphrasing what the other person has said to show that you have understood them. For example, if someone says, I have been really stressed at work, you might respond with, it sounds like work has been overwhelming for you lately. Reflective listening is incredibly effective because it shows that you are not just hearing them, you are understanding them. It is a powerful way to make someone feel truly listened to, which can encourage them to share even more. Number 5. Ask open-ended questions. These are questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. They encourage deeper conversation and allow the person to explore their feelings more fully. For example, instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" you might ask, "What was the best part of your day?" Or instead of, "Are you okay?" you can say, "How are you feeling about what happened?" These questions invite the person to share more about their experiences and emotions. Number 6. Avoid interrupting. Nothing shuts down a conversation faster than being cut off. When you interrupt, it signals to the other person that what you have to say is more important than what they're saying, and that can make them clam up. Instead, practice patience. Let them finish their thoughts completely before you respond. You might be surprised at how much more they are willing to share when they don't feel rushed or interrupted. Number 7. Create a safe space. This doesn't just mean a physical space, but also an emotional one. People need to feel safe from judgment, criticism, and unwanted advice. When they feel safe, they are more likely to open up. Start by choosing a comfortable setting. Maybe it is a quiet coffee shop, a peaceful park, or even a cozy corner of your home. The key is to find a place where the person feels at ease. Beyond the physical space, your demeanor plays a huge role. Use respectful language, be mindful of your tone, and show that you are there to listen, not to judge. This combination creates a powerful, safe environment where people can let their guard down. Number 8. Using humor appropriately. Humor can be a great tool to break down barriers and lighten the mood, but it has to be used carefully. The right joke at the right time can make someone feel more relaxed, but a poorly timed or insensitive joke can have the opposite effect. Think of humor as a spice, use it to enhance the conversation, not overpower it. And always be sensitive to the other person's feelings. If they are sharing something serious or emotional, it's probably not the time for a joke. But if you are both feeling a little tense, a light-hearted comment can ease the tension and help them feel more comfortable. Number 9. Being consistent and reliable. Trust is not built overnight, it is the result of consistent, reliable behavior over time. When people know they can count on you, they are more likely to open up. Show up when you say you will, keep your promises, and be dependable. These small, everyday actions send a big message: you can trust me. And when people trust you, they feel safe to share their hidden emotions. Number 10. Validating their feelings. Everyone wants to feel understood, and validation is how you show that you get where they are coming from. Validation doesn't mean you have to agree with everything they say, but it does mean acknowledging their feelings as real and legitimate. You might say something like, "I can see why you would feel that way," or, "It makes sense that you are upset about this." These simple phrases can make a world of difference in how connected someone feels to you. Number 11. Be patient. Sometimes, people are not ready to open up right away, and that is okay. Pressuring them to share before they are ready can backfire, pushing them further away. Patience is about giving them the time and space they need to feel comfortable. It is about being there, consistently, without pushing too hard. Over time, your patience will pay off as they start to trust you more and feel safe enough to open up. Number 12. Unconditional support. This means being there for them without expecting anything in return. It is about showing that your care and concern are not conditional on them doing something for you. Unconditional support is about being a steady presence in someone's life. It is about saying, "I'm here for you, no matter what." When people feel this kind of unwavering support, they are much more likely to open up and share their true feelings. These strategies are not just about having better conversations, they are about building deeper, more meaningful relationships. And who doesn't want that? Now, it's time to put these tips into action. Start with 1 or 2 and see how they transform your interactions with others. You will be amazed at how much more connected you feel when you unlock those hidden emotions. I would love to hear from you. What challenges have you faced in getting others to open up? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Follow Fahtel Growth Tips for more content on personal growth and achieving bigger dreams. Remember, emotional connections are built on trust, patience, and understanding. By using these techniques, you can create stronger, more meaningful relationships. So, start unlocking those hidden emotions today.